Hey folks, so today I'm going to show you how to set up your Works Cited page. So whenever you are referencing a book or a website or any type of media for any essay you're going to write in the future, you have to cite properly. Otherwise, you're at risk of plagiarism. So I have to say paraphrasing. No, plagiarism, which we do not want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our page, and on my computer it's Command Enter, on yours it's probably Control Enter. I'm going to center my title, which is titled Works Cited. So that's on the last page of my Google Doc of the rough draft. Now, what I'm going to do is I have to cite the book, Speak by Laurie Halse Anderson. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So we're going to go into noodletools.com/free and / again. So I know it sounds kind of silly, but you're going to noodletools.com/free /. You want to navigate to that site, and then you're going to click on Noodle Tools Express. Now we're citing in MLA format, and my citation is a book. So I'm going to create the citation. Now I have to figure out all this information to get my citation finished. So now I'm going to look for the author's name, and I already know her name. It's Laurie Halse Anderson. Title of book or multi-volume work, this is Speak. Publisher, this might be hard to find. Let's see here. Our publisher is, might take me a minute, but I will find it. The Penguin Group. All right. This one says to omit the, so that's what I'm going to do. The year that this book was published, this is a more recent publication, so this one was actually 2006. Publication city is New York. Edition, let's see here. Well, actually, I think this is a special print, not an edition, so we can skip that actually, and everything else I can leave blank. I don't have to fill in that information. I'm going to click the Save button, and here is my handy dandy citation. I'm going to highlight it, copy it, and I'm going to paste it into my Works Cited page. Now, obviously, that's not Times New Roman 12, so I have to change that. Just 12, not 12.5. And that's it. That is the only citation you will need for your Works Cited, because we're not doing outside research. If you guys have any questions, please let me know, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.